COAST's innovation for outdoor recreational lighting is clearly seen in my RL35R voice control headlamp. My voice activates light output, beam shape, and beam color.
COAST on. COAST, flood. COAST, spot. COAST, arc. COAST, red. COAST, blue. COAST, green.
This ultra-bright 1100 lumen headlamp also features a rear-facing safety light for total light protection and visibility. Its Rechargeable Plus power option also allows charging with the included Zithion-X rechargeable battery or 2 CR123 batteries. Family-owned for over a century, the RL35R is backed by generations of expertise and COAST's lifetime warranty. The RL35R offers complete hands-free utility for all my outdoor adventures.
COAST off.